called a meeting. What does he want?
Who knows? Probably stepped in something again. You going to the meeting?
Nah, I got better things to do. You go.
Hey, Bird Brain, wait till I get the food out.
Got food! Huh? Did I hear?
Food?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
This is so good.
What a bunch of
Made
pigs.
this is wonderful.
Alright, it's come to my attention that you guys are indiscriminately using the barnyard as a latrine. Now, we need to take more pride in our barnyard. A clean barnyard is a happy barnyard. I'm sure that's what we all want. The other cats and I have designated areas for you to use. The farmer will clean these areas periodically for your convenience. If you will abide by this simple request, I know we'll all be a lot happier. Where did they go? Stupid chickens. Ingrates.